Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the numbers from 1 to 50. Are you ready? Let's start together. Let's begin with our first numbers. Listen and repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job! These are our first 10 numbers. Now let's keep going. Ready? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done! You can hear the teen sound in many of these numbers. Numbers get easier when we group them. Let's try them step by step. Say with me. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Great! These numbers are in the 20s. Now the 30s. Say it with me. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Fantastic! You are doing so well. And finally, the 40s. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. You made it all the way to 50. Now let's count all the way together from 1 to 50 without stopping. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Amazing work! You can now count from 1 to 50. The more you practice, the easier it will be. So keep practicing your numbers every day.